You will learn how to make money by helping others solve problems. Problem needs solutions and solutions make money. I will also show you how this website is making $25 million to $50 million per month by doing the exact same thing. Before we move to the first step of today's video, let me tell you something. This something is going to make you, well, not 25 millions overnight, but a good amount of extra money starting today. So I have a magic mouse. So this is my magic mouse, and for my Mac computer it works like a charm. But the problem with magic mouse is that there is no indicator if your mouse is charging or not. I don't know if my mouse is running out of power and I need to charge it. First problem is that you have to charge it from the bottom right here. So you can't use your mouse while charging. And the second problem is that there is no physical indicator that shows whether the mouse is currently charging or not. To solve this, I searched on Google how to know if an Apple mouse is charging or not. Gladly, I found the answer in Quora. The answer is you simply go to the Bluetooth section of your computer, open Bluetooth preferences. There you find the mouse is connected or not, charging or not. But this little problem with my magic mouse made me curious. Let me show you why. When I opened Quora, this person, Leslie Martin, had answered the question and had around 425 views to his answer. 425 views. This means there are many people who have the same problem as I have. Okay, now if I want to get instant attention of these 425 people, then I would simply go to my software Maven and build a page with a nice answer to the question in simple 3 steps. I will copy an open link and paste it right here. Click the AI rewriter button to rewrite the content for me and make it my own. Add a few edits and tweaks here and there, and my awesome professional looking blog post will be ready. So I will go to the question on Quora and answer with the link to my new page. I know this will take 2 to 3 minutes of my time, but this will get instant attention of 425 people. How cool is that? And according to our stats, we will make 5 times 425, which equals over $2,000 in instant affiliate commissions. Oh, by the way, link to Maven is in the description, and I will show you more details about how Maven works at the later part of this video. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way, you help them learn how to make money online the right way and the easy way, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Now I smell money, and I went to Uber Suggest to see what other problems Magic Mouse has. Turns out 33,000 people per month search for the keyword magic mouse, and 1,900 people search for the key phrase Apple mouse charging alone. And it's not just about the magic mouse. There are over 100 issues that people search for related to Apple products. Interestingly, that's when I found this super giant website. The Verge has also written an article on Apple mouse still charging from bottom, and it's just 2 days ago. Think about why a website like The Verge is writing a fresh new article about this. Because Magic Mouse is an evergreen and hot topic with around 33,000 searches per month. The secret is the problem we have is also the problem of hundreds of thousands of people, and they look for solutions in Quora just like me, Google, social media, and other places. You help them, they find your answer useful, and then visit your website. That's what makes you money, solving problems. But to solve these problems, we must have our website and problem-solving content like The Verge. Wait, well, did I say website and content? Isn't this boring or hard work? Yes, and before you say it's too much work, let me show you how you can do it in simple 2 steps and in just 3 minutes using Maven. Maven is my software. You can get it from the link in the description. Let us make an awesome Magic Mouse article using our software Maven. First, click the Add Blog blog button, copy the URL address or the link of the content we want to hijack from, paste it here, click create button, and the whole content is loaded. Boom. Add a blog title. Let's first change the blog image. Click upload and select one of the images we have in our hard drive, and the image is changed. Let's format the text to match our taste a little bit, make it bold. Select this text and make it italic to look nicer. Let's put this part of the text in the center. I'm just showing you what's possible to do with Maven. Now select this text and add a link. Let's consider this is our affiliate link, just for an example. Select this URL or the link and paste it right here and make it open a new window. Just one click and the link is added. This is the link that will make us money. Let's change this text into headline 3. Looks good. Click the save button when we are happy with the formatting. Now the full content is loaded here in the left side, but this is not our content, and that's why we are using this yellow button to use our artificial intelligence to rewrite the whole content and make it ours. And now everything you see is unique and it's ours. We can use it as our own, and you can add more elements by clicking this plus button and add elements from here. Let's add a video. Click on this button, copy the URL of this video and paste it here. Then select the place where you want to add the video, click the add button, and the video is added inside the content. Super cool, right? Let's add some more image, and this time we want to use Google CC. No, I changed my mind. Let's use Pixabay. Click Pixabay button and search with your search string. In this case, we're gonna put Apple Magic Mouse and click search. We have all these different options automatically, 100% free images, just one click and the image is added inside the content. Why not add another image to make it nicer using Google CC? Search with Apple Magic Mouse. Click the search button. All these options, all these images are 100% free to use. Click any of them, your choice, and add it. Whenever you are happy with the content, click the save button and it's saved. Now this section is completely optional, but this is good for search engine optimization. Fill in this form with relevant information. Click any of these two buttons. We want to publish right now, and it's published. It's done. To check the content, click this view button, and here is your beautiful article created in under 3 minutes without writing a single content. You can always go back and edit as you wish. Okay, now step number 1, you go to Google and find out what problems people have, what solutions they are looking for. For example, I type in my Android not in the search bar, and this is what Google is auto-suggesting. There are hundreds of problems that people have with their Android phones or Android devices. Check a few more examples, search my Windows not and see the results, my laptop not. So you see that these are hundreds, if not millions of problems that you could solve and make money from. But I recommend you use softwares like Maven to build a website and a page real fast. Now, step number 2, now go to Uber Suggest and decide which topic you should work on first according to the search volume. You can use the freemium version of Uber Suggest to do the same analysis, but you would need to have a premium version for in-depth analysis as you see here. But don't worry, I will put the analysis results of this video in the description so you can use them without getting their paid subscription. So stay till the end of the video to know how you can use this data to your advantage. Now, you simply go to the giant websites like The Verge and hijack their content legally using Maven. Add this content to your Maven hosted page. Step number 3, now go and look for people who have this problem on social media and forums like Quora, Reddit, Facebook, for instance. Check this person who has answered a query on not working on Quora. He has received around 2.7 million content views. Now imagine if he had a website linked to his Quora profile, he would have got millions of website visitors and would have made around $1 million, if not more, from AdSense alone. But we will not make this mistake. Before you go and help others with their problems, make sure you have your own website ready so the visitors who find your answer are helpful will visit your website. This is how you make money by solving problems. Step number 4, for example, let's check why does my laptop show no Wi-Fi connection? Almost everyone has this problem with their laptops. If you go to Quora and type this query, you see 1.5 thousand views of an answer to this query, 1.7 thousand views, 91,000 views, and even 107,000 views. 107,000 views means there are hundreds of thousands of people who have this problem with their laptops. What if you gave them an answer, a helpful answer with the link to your website that could help them even better? You would get hundreds of thousands of website visitors almost immediately, right? You could be making $100,000 to even $1 million from this one query alone. Now, this is not over exaggeration. I'm just saying the possibility, and I'm not saying you're gonna make this much money overnight. This is a possibility. And this is how we start. The key is to find problems that people have, then provide solutions to those problems. You have absolutely no reason to say that you can't. Of course you can. Using Maven, we have already solved the website and content related problem using Maven. So link in the description, you can get it. You know how Maven can get you started within just 3 minutes. In fact, every technical hassle is taken care of in our application. You can get it from the link in the description. You should go get it right now. Get these problem solution oriented articles with Maven, push traffic from Quora and social media platforms. This is how you can make money by solving problems. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. This way, not only you are learning how to make money online, you are helping others learn how to make money online. You become a cool person and they will become your first followers. They will also get access to our software Maven and other softwares, link in the description, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.